We sell at absolute prices. It's common sense for these products to be sold to anyone. Products that are even 50K earners are bound to use. We only supply high-quality products that nobody can beat. Atomy sells truly high-quality products at the lowest prices that nobody else can match. This is our company's policy. These are absolute quality products. Absolute quality products aren't relatively better. They're the highest quality, which no one can beat. We sell those quality products at absolute prices. Absolute price is not relative price, which is about winning based on having a lower price than the competition. We sell absolute quality products at the lowest prices, which nobody else can beat. We call this Masstige. Mass refers to the masses, or the general public. Tige is for prestige or luxury. So we're saying this is a Masstige product. It's a luxury product, but sold at a price that anybody can afford. We call it the Masstige strategy. We don't have any competitors right now, but if we do well, there's going to be others who try to copy us. They won't come out throwing soft punches. To go up against a company like ours, they'll take the time to really prepare something. Even then, we'll make it so that they cannot follow us nor even dream of catching up. We'll create a barrier to entry itself. They'll think, we can't even imagine making such luxury cosmetics for that price. So we make it so that they can't even enter the market at all. I was a soldier in the Army. And what I did there was build telephone lines. If war broke out, I'd have to be able to do this work very quickly, so there was a telephone pole climbing race. It was a contest to see who could climb a telephone pole the fastest. They usually went up and down a standing telephone pole, which took around 18 seconds. And while I was practicing, I was very curious about how many seconds it took my competitors in the other divisions. And what would it take for me to place first? So I did an experiment. I put the telephone pole on its side and ran from one end to the other and back. That took me 3.8 seconds. Then, is it possible for someone to go up and down a standing telephone pole in less than 3.8 seconds? No, it's not. And 3.8 seconds was my goal, my absolute goal. If I were to somehow achieve this impossible goal, unless somebody laid the pole down on its side and ran across it, there wouldn't be anyone who could do it faster going up and down. This is an absolute goal. An absolute goal is something that no one can possibly do better. You set this goal and seek ways to achieve it. If there's a good product that's being sold at the mart, we sell it for cheaper. I found this toothbrush at the mart. After trying dozens of toothbrushes and testing them in all kinds of different ways, I decided on this toothbrush that I could use for the rest of my life. My gums were all swollen from brushing my teeth so many times in a day during my search. After finding this, I found that the original price was 2,200 Korean won. There's usually 2+1 sales at this price, right? You get something extra, right? So with that, it came out to around 1,600 Korean won. But we sell this for 980 Korean won. Then where would you buy it from? You'd buy it from Atomy. If you're thinking that this toothbrush is really good and cheap, then you can tell other people. Try this toothbrush. It's cheap and it's good. You can just say it like that. I've tried this and it's good. Try it. This is the price. Then they're all going to use it. Based on common sense, our products are bound to get sold. Even new companies that will be founded in the future won't be able to follow after us. This is Atomy's strategy right here.